It just, you
Do
know,
you think there's the same amount of water slash ice slash humidity that there's always been on the planet?
well, the evidence, the science says no, that we get hit by ice comets every once in a while. Comets that have ice in it. So it adds to it. I mean, we're not really losing any because, water and, water is basically made up of hydrogen and oxygen, which hydrogen and oxygen split, and then hydrogen and oxygen come back together as well. And contrary to some of the popular belief about how the way that hydrogen has worked with the sun and all that kind of stuff, we've thought before that maybe we would lose some hydrogen over time. We've actually found molecules on the planet now that are actually uh, chemically, uh, they're plasma molecules that come from directly from the sun. That there's almost like they have micro wormholes that are getting created between us and the sun because of the gravitational bodies, and that it actually is transporting molecules from the sun to the earth, like that, like
You
lickety
mean through
split
a wormhole?
through micro wormholes. Yeah, they discovered this back in,
That's
I think it
wild.
was like 2000, like 2012, maybe, I want to say.
That's wild.
Yeah, yeah, and it was during an experiment they found it, and there was another experiment that they haven't, well, at least as of count at the time, had not been able to duplicate. And they were sending photons, and they would send it through these triangular devices to be able to read it, and they would measure the photons as they were going. Well, it's supposed to go at the speed of light, right? It's a photon, it's light, it's supposed to go at the speed of light. It arrived at the far
That's you.
yeah, sorry about that. It arrived at the far point before it should have, which means that it actually was going faster than the speed of light. And they were like, that shouldn't be possible. The theory is that it actually went through one of those micro wormholes, popped through it,
Mhm.
and it actually made it like disappear from here and appear to here, which shortened the distance. That's the theory, but they were not able to duplicate it because these micro wormholes that they've been discovering of, the solar, these solar molecules in the atmosphere, um, that it basically, it's random the way that it pops up. Of course, we're going to find out in the long run it's not really random, that there's certain laws and everything that go into it.